When you say virtually or when you say mag-retire, perhaps you may not be the one who actively would go out. But for sure, you have to be the one who will intercede for others, to become prayer partners of others. You won't be maybe not be sowing so much seeds kasi nagawa nyo na yun. But then, you will actually now see na yung ibinunla ninyo ay malaki na, mayabong na, at namunga pa. Concentrate on enriching your fruitfulness, learning or to appreciate that now you are fruitful.
God alone remains with patient endurance. All can attain all things if we have God. Nothing else shall we desire. God alone is enough.
Look how fruitful is the Lord. He is not physically present as in we see Him with His human body, but because of the Eucharist, He is present to us in a sacramental way, in a mysterious way. And that is fruitfulness. Hindi nyo alam na ang mga naging estudyante nyo, dala-dala din kayo. No? Marahil hindi maalala ang pangalan nyo, no? Pero naalala ang inyong mga aral at ang mga inyong itinuro.